Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. We discuss about the beautiful name for her baby girl. The name first is here Arzu. Arzu spelling ARZOO. The name meaning is here friendly and companion. The next name is here Ansam. Ansam name is a very beautiful and unique. Name spelling is here ANSAM. The name meaning is here breath of life. The next name is here Asil. Asil is a very beautiful name. Spelling here ASIL. The name meaning is here smooth and soft. The next name is here Asma. Asma is a very unique and beautiful name for her baby girl. Spelling name is here ASMA. The name meaning is here lofty, excellent. The next name is a very beautiful and unique and trending. Next name Anisa. Anisa name meaning is here friendly and companion. If you like any name, please comment and follow me.